Welcome back to Qube, the place where real car stories meet real car lovers. If you enjoy detailed reviews, honest opinions, and deep dives into legendary vehicles from around the world, then make sure you subscribe to Qube and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Today, we are stepping into the world of full-size American SUVs, and not just any SUV. We are talking about power, presence, luxury, and road dominance. Today's star is the GMC Yukon. The GMC Yukon is not a vehicle that tries to be subtle. From the moment it appears in your rearview mirror, it commands attention. It represents the classic American philosophy of building big, strong, and capable vehicles, while still offering comfort and premium refinement. Over the years, the Yukon has evolved from a rugged family hauler into a full-blown luxury SUV that can comfortably compete with some of the most expensive names in the segment. To truly understand the GMC Yukon, we need to understand its purpose. This is a vehicle designed for people who need space, strength, and confidence in one package. Families, adventurers, business owners, and road trip lovers all find something appealing in the Yukon. It is built on a truck-based platform, sharing its DNA with legendary American pickups, and that foundation gives it a level of durability and toughness that many crossovers simply cannot match. When you look at the exterior of the GMC Yukon, the first thing you notice is its sheer size. It is tall, wide, and long, with a stance that feels planted and authoritative. The bold grille, signature GMC badging, and strong body lines give it a muscular appearance. This is not a design that follows trends, it sets its own tone. The Yukon looks equally at home parked in front of a luxury hotel or covered in dust after a long off-road journey. Moving closer, the attention to detail becomes more apparent. The LED lighting elements add a modern touch, while the chrome or blacked-out accents, depending on the trim, enhance its premium feel. Large alloy wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly, reinforcing the idea that this SUV is built for serious work as well as comfort. Every angle of the Yukon communicates confidence. Step inside the GMC Yukon, and you enter a completely different world. The cabin is spacious, airy, and designed with long journeys in mind. GMC has clearly focused on making the interior a place where drivers and passengers can relax, even on the longest trips. High-quality materials are used throughout, from soft-touch surfaces to premium leather upholstery on higher trims. The seating position is commanding. Sitting behind the wheel of a Yukon gives you a clear view of the road ahead, making you feel in control of everything around you. The seats themselves are wide, supportive, and extremely comfortable. Whether you are driving for 10 minutes or 10 hours, the Yukon is built to keep fatigue to a minimum. One of the strongest points of the GMC Yukon is space. This SUV offers generous room across all three rows. The second row provides excellent legroom, and even the third row, which is often an afterthought in many SUVs, is genuinely usable for adults. This makes the Yukon an excellent choice for large families or people who regularly travel with many passengers. Cargo space is another area where the Yukon truly shines. With all seats in place, there is still enough room for groceries or luggage. Fold down the third row, and the cargo area becomes massive. Fold down the second row as well, and you have a flat-load floor capable of carrying furniture, bikes, or camping gear with ease. The Yukon is not just about luxury, it is about practicality on a serious level. Technology plays a huge role in the modern GMC Yukon. The infotainment system is intuitive and responsive, featuring a large touchscreen that supports smartphone integration. Navigation, music, phone calls, and vehicle settings are all easily accessible. The digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable information right in front of the driver, adding to the high-tech feel of the cabin. Sound quality is another highlight, especially in models equipped with premium audio systems. Whether you enjoy podcasts, classical music, or bass-heavy tracks, the Yukon delivers an immersive listening experience. This turns every drive into something enjoyable, even in heavy traffic. Under the hood, the GMC Yukon offers serious power. Depending on the configuration, you get strong V8 engines that deliver impressive horsepower and torque. This power is not just for show. It allows the Yukon to tow heavy trailers, boats, and caravans with confidence. For people who need a vehicle that can handle work during the week and family duties on the weekend, the Yukon fits perfectly. Despite its size, the Yukon drives with surprising ease. The steering is well weighted, and the suspension is tuned to balance comfort and control. On the highway, the Yukon feels stable and composed, soaking up bumps and imperfections without disturbing the cabin. On rough roads or light off-road conditions, it remains confident, proving that it has not forgotten its rugged roots. Fuel economy is not the main focus of a vehicle like the Yukon, but modern engineering has helped make it more efficient than older generations. Cylinder deactivation and advanced transmission systems help reduce fuel consumption during cruising, making it more reasonable for daily use than you might expect from such a large SUV. Safety is another area where the GMC Yukon performs strongly. It comes equipped with a wide range of driver assistance features designed to protect occupants and prevent accidents. These systems work quietly in the background, providing an extra layer of confidence without feeling intrusive. For families, this focus on safety adds significant peace of mind. Over the years, the GMC Yukon has built a strong reputation for reliability and longevity. Many owners keep their Yukons for years, putting hundreds of thousands of kilometers on them. This durability is one of the reasons why the Yukon holds its value well in the used car market. It is seen as a long-term investment rather than a short-term purchase. The Yukon also offers multiple trims, allowing buyers to choose the level of luxury and capability that suits them best. From more practical versions focused on utility, to highly luxurious trims that rival premium brands, there is a Yukon for almost every type of buyer. This flexibility is part of what makes the model so successful. Culturally, the GMC Yukon has become a symbol of success and strength, especially in markets where large SUVs are appreciated. It is often associated with road trips, family adventures, and a lifestyle that values freedom and capability. Driving a Yukon is not just about getting from point A to point B, it is about how you feel along the way. When compared to competitors, the GMC Yukon stands out for its blend of traditional toughness and modern comfort. While some rivals focus more on luxury and others on off-road ability, the Yukon manages to balance both worlds effectively. This makes it appealing to a wide audience. Living with a GMC Yukon means embracing its size and presence. Parking in tight spaces can require a bit more attention, but the available cameras and sensors make the job easier. On open roads, however, the Yukon feels completely at home, cruising effortlessly and comfortably. For long journeys, the Yukon truly shines. The quiet cabin, comfortable seating, and smooth ride make hours on the road feel shorter. Passengers have space to stretch out, and drivers appreciate the relaxed driving experience. It is a vehicle designed to cover long distances without stress. The GMC Yukon is not just about numbers and features. It is about character. It carries a sense of confidence that comes from decades of American automotive tradition. It respects its past while embracing modern technology and design. As automotive trends move toward smaller and more efficient vehicles, the Yukon remains proudly full-size. It does not apologize for being big. Instead, it offers a clear answer to those who need space, power, and presence in one package. In many ways, the GMC Yukon represents freedom. Freedom to travel with your entire family comfortably. Freedom to tow what you need. Freedom to explore roads less traveled. That is why it continues to attract loyal fans around the world. As we come to the end of this deep dive, it becomes clear that the GMC Yukon is more than just an SUV. It is a statement of capability, comfort, and confidence. Whether you are a family person, an adventure seeker, or someone who simply appreciates a strong and well-built vehicle, the Yukon has something to offer. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown and want more honest car stories like this, then you already know what to do. Subscribe to Qube, like this video, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring more in-depth content straight to you. Thank you for watching Qube. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep exploring the world of cars with us.